Let's talk about the basics of Shopify POS Lite. Well, as a store owner, it's important to have a point of sale system that meets your needs. With so many options on the market, it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. Well, in this short video, we'll introduce you to Shopify POS Lite and explain its key features. By the end, you'll have a better idea of whether or not Shopify POS Lite is a good fit for your business. What is Shopify Point of Sale Lite? Shopify POS Lite is a cloud based point of sale system designed for small businesses. It's simple to use and can be set up in minutes. With Shopify Point of Sale Lite, you can sell products in your store, online, and on the go. Plus, all of your sales and inventory are synced across all devices, so you can always stay up to date no matter where you are. Use the link below to contact an expert and get all of your questions answered. Well, Shopify POS Lite features are going to be cloud-based software is number one there. Shopify POS Lite is cloud-based, and you can access it from any internet-connected device. This makes it easy to use, whether you're in the store or on the go, like we said. And next, we got easy setup. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is designed to be easy to set up and use. You can be up and running in minutes without any prior experience needed. Well, you can sell anywhere with Shopify POS Lite. You can sell products in your store and online and on the go. Oh, this makes it easy to sell to customers no matter where they are. Next, I'm going to talk about inventory management. All of your sales and inventory are synchronized across all devices so that you can always stay up to date no matter where you are. This makes it easy to keep track of your inventory and make sure that you always have the products that your customers want in stock. Now I'm going to tell you the clincher. It's affordable. Shopify POS Lite is super affordable. It's a super affordable option for small businesses. And overall, Shopify Point of Sale Lite is a great option. If you're a small business owner who is looking for an affordable and easy to use POS system, then this is it. It's a cloud-based software that makes it accessible from anywhere, and its inventory management features make it easy, super easy, to keep track of your products. So if you are looking for a new point of sale system in your business, then you be sure to check out Shopify POS Lite. That's right. Use the link down below to talk to an expert and get a great free personal demonstration today. We will answer all your questions.